As promised, I wanted to show you a little bit from the excursion, which unfortunately I couldn't take part of because I was still recovering, but my colleagues were so nice to send me some footage. So this is in the field in the mountains, and you can hear already they're working on a tree. And then you can also see how they're working on the tree there. This is the instrument they used to get the wood out, the stripe of wood that they need to do the research. And they are in these little tubes when they got them. So then later they need to be pushed out of the tube and then be fixed and documented where they got collected. And so here you can see how they get pushed out. This is back in the lab a week after the excursion, and my colleagues are preparing them. So after they get pushed out, they need to be fixed on another wood, just so they don't break and you can handle them good under the microscope. So here's taking the measures, then he will cut it into the right length, and then later it gets fixed.
We need to do something with climate change, then this technique is necessary.
Where is glue?
So after cutting it in shape, it gets glued, and then it gets fixed. Then it gets fixed with some stripes so it can dry well. And then you also need to note down exactly where it was found, which tree, and collected by whom. And as you will see in the next step, then after it dried, so I came back after a few days for the next step, after the gluing. Here he's checking that he glues it in the right way, because you need to glue it so you can really see the correct rings and everything. So he's double checking.
The position should be checked.
And now it's going to be glued. Double checking again, just to be safe.
At the side. Yeah.
Side direction.
Oh, okay.
Side spring is safety.
And now it gets glued
We do it
onto the other wood.
Oh, wow.
Here they're just fixing it. This way it can dry safely and it doesn't move. So this is a few days later, after everything is dry. You have to rework it so you can really see everything, really like every cell and everything beneath the microscope. So they're starting to look different. I don't know how these papers are called in English, so they go from gross to super fine, and then at the end you can see it's like very, very clear, and this is how you can see it under the microscope.